Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save projects in revid.ai. So I will be on official website and I will be on my video creation interface, and if I want to save this project, I will just tap on it and I will just simply export, and I will just select the resolution or frame rate and comparison with a low, medium, high, and I will just tap on this export. But right now I am not subscribed to this subscription, that's why I can't save the project. But you will just purchase the plan and you will be just simply tap on its export button, and this project will be saved in revid.ai and also saved in your desktop. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.